And we are now here at the shopping center. I don't know what I am going to buy. Yeah, the purpose is to buy something and to walk around. Okay, I found something to buy. Yeah, this. A blade, a razor blade. This just $4.90, or I take this, the expensive one. I just get this. Oh, look at this. They have a new set of weekly special. Yeah, they have this portable toilet. But I actually already have one. I don't need. Tarpaulin, binoculars, lights. I'm actually tempted to get this one. This electric fan and lights. But yeah, the summer is finished already. But it's actually still a little hot these days. Key light, keychain, torch, clothesline. Yo, good morning everyone. Yeah, it is raining. Yeah, it's actually been raining or very cloudy in the previous days, and so I did not able to vlog. Yeah, I actually went to McDonald's. I bought this coffee, this long black. Oh, it's very full. Look at that. That's why when I was running to get here in the car, it's overflowing. Yeah, long black is basically pure black coffee. Yeah, black coffee, long black. And yeah, today I'm going to try this Vegemite. First time in history, a Vegemite hot cross bun. The regular one is the one with raisin, but this day there is also the one with the Cadbury chocolate and so many different flavors. This one is yeah, Vegemite. Oh, it smells like regular bread, but cheesy bread. So yeah, it's yeah, you can really taste the Vegemite and the cheese flavor. It is not sweet, basically. Yeah, with the taste of cheese, and oh, there is a Suzuki Jimny. Yeah, basically cheese and Vegemite. You know, Vegemite for me is a little bit of yeah, a little bit taste of and the smell of anchovy. Yeah, for me, in my opinion, but it's not salty. This is not bad, but also not the favorite for me. But I will eat it if it is there around, you know. I can eat 2 of this straight. I mean, I'm going to finish it all up. Oh, I'm actually going to finish it all in 2 days. But my favorite hot cross bun is the one with the Cadbury chocolate. I actually went inside in McDonald's. Yeah, having this power station, but when I was checking inside, there's no power outlet. Yeah, it is already afternoon. Actually, evening already, 7 o'clock. And most of the cars, they are gone. It was full when I parked here. Yeah, coming from McDonald's in the morning. I drive up straight here. And then I was just inside the van. Yeah, editing video, sleeping. And actually, it has been raining the whole day. Since I woke up this morning. Yeah, until like, yeah, the rain just stopped maybe 2 hours ago. Yeah, so did not have a chance to go anywhere. Yeah, I actually went inside the grocery during the time that it was raining. So, yeah, I did not record it because I was running. And now I'm waiting to be hungry. But, yeah, I can't buy a microwavable food in the grocery. Yeah, because, yeah, I don't have electricity. It is now 8:30 and yeah, I'm now here at the gym and I'm actually lazy. Yeah, to run or to do some workout. I feel like I'm just going inside just to take a shower. Yo, good day everyone. We are here at the shopping center. Oh, lots of people at the return and earn. This is actually full of bottles. I actually did not able to put the, the bottles yet to the return and earn. Yeah, because there's people. They are putting their yeah, cans and bottles, and they have a lot. Looks like they are father and daughter, and the daughter is really beautiful. Yeah, already old, maybe on her 20s. Yeah, and so I'm shy to give the bottles to them. In the end, I had the courage and I gave it to them. Yeah, I was actually stuttering when I was talking to them. Another reason why I just gave it to them is because I actually need to go to the toilet. Yeah, and so if I wait there, yeah, not good. And because there's no open restaurant inside, even the food court closed already. And actually this Thai restaurant, yeah, they are not serving coffee. Yeah, most of the like this kind of restaurant, they actually don't serve coffee. They serve just a Thai, like a tea, but not coffee. That's why I'm going to run to the McDonald's. And we are now here at McDonald's. Look how heavy the rain is. Yeah, this much of water leaking. I also got this. Yeah, 2 pieces of kind of donut. Picking it. We have the same of this at oh, it's not, it's different. It's chocolate. $2.50, 2 pieces. And the rain actually getting stronger and stronger. Yeah. And this car is beautiful. You know, one of my colleagues just came here to say hi. She is basically working in our restaurant as a waitress. And yeah, when she came here, yeah, I was surprised to see her other uniform. She is wearing kind of, SES uniform. If I'm not mistaken, they are kind of a firefighter, or basically they are the one who helps the people affected by kind of calamity, something like that. Wow, very nice. Yeah, amazing. Rain has stopped, but still there is a mist. And look at these beautiful flowers. Yeah, nice. You know, you need to always cross in the pedestrian lane. Yeah, because this pedestrian lane is very powerful. Yeah, it protects you from evil. Okay, we are back here in the car. You know, this coffee, this is long black. Before, I always order cappuccino because cappuccino sounds good, very common, but cappuccino is not good in the mouth. Yeah, feels like I always need to brush my teeth after taking the cappuccino. All I dream, just close your eyes. All I dream, that's on your time. 'Cause darling, something tells me it's enough. Ooh. I'm actually day off now. And for the next 4 days, I'm also going to be day off. I don't know what I am going to do. I don't know where I am going to go. Yeah. And I check which one is not raining because here in Bay Area, it has actually been raining since 2 weeks. No, not 2 weeks, but I mean on the first week, yeah, it was just always cloudy and there's no sun. Yeah. And at that time, I started to have problem with my electricity because you know, the power of this vehicle is coming from the sun to the solar panel and to my battery. Yeah, and so I don't have battery until now. Yeah, this week always raining every day. Even in the night that I am sleeping was raining. I checked some location and in Sydney actually it's not raining. As you can see, yeah, Nelson Bay it's cloudy, raining. Hobart is good. Gold Coast is yeah the same, black also, so it's yeah also raining over there. But in Newcastle, yeah, in Newcastle it's actually just windy. Yeah, also in Sydney. All look at that, all sunny. So I may be going to drive to somewhere in Sydney. Oh, I just googled what does SES do. So basically, SES is the New South Wales State Emergency Service. Yeah, it is a volunteer-based emergency and rescue service that serves as the lead agency for flood, storm, and tsunami response in New South Wales. So it is dark now here. I'm going to buy water. I forgot.